The shop floor line of CMMs, brought to you by Hexagon Metrology, is designed to help reduce the bottleneck in the quality control lab. Features on the system that are very key are not having air bearings, so no air is required. It uses a standard 110 outlet, so you can put it anywhere on your shop floor. Looking at it from the ground up, from the base up to the granite, there's a passive vibration dampening system built in. That way you don't have to worry about some of the small vibrations coming up into the machine and resonating down through the Z-rail. We come up to the top of the granite, and we've got a nice etching in the top of the granite to show you where your actual measurement stroke is, so you can make sure you're placing your part where it can be reached by your CMM probes. As we move up further, there's workpiece lighting. If you look on the inside of the systems, there's LED light strips that help you keep your workpiece lighted up, so you don't have to worry about flashlights to go in and see what you're actually working on. Up on the Z-Ram, you'll notice the blinking lights. That's our message lighting. Those can be fully programmable, different colors, to let you know where it's at in the measurement routine, let you know if you got a good part or bad part, or if you're just ready to load the next piece. Coming back down the Z-Ram, we've got different kind of probes. You can go with a standard touch probe, you can go with a scanning probe, you can go with an indexing wrist or a fixed head. We've also got probe rack options, so this system really is versatile, and you can put it anywhere out on your shop floor.